You've been spending days thinking about stuff you knew wouldn't happen. Let's be honest, I've been too. But this ridiculously simple method changed my life. Imagine you say something behind the teacher's back and you think someone who dislikes you might have heard. So you go home and overthink all night. But that's you. If it were me, I would pick a piece of paper, then write, maybe that guy who doesn't like me hear that. Then I connect it to the next worst possibility with an arrow. He might tell the teacher what I said. The teacher might get mad. The teacher might suspend me from school. My family might get disappointed in me. Then, next to those bad possibilities, I would write happy ending ones that mostly happen. He might not hear that. He might forget that. The teacher might not care. The teacher might forgive me in his mind and forget it. My family might support me. And whenever those thoughts come after me, I take a look at that paper and imagine those happy endings and tell myself, see, you've got at least 5 chances for things to turn out just fine.